This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local and international entertainment news highlights. Entertainment flashback in 60 seconds, this week's hot happenings, and check this out. Good afternoon, I'm Yashika Graham, and this is Entertainment 97. Heading this week's local entertainment news, Culture Minister Olivia Grange has announced that Jamaican music heavyweights Derrick Morgan and Kevin Sanchez Jackson will be honored at the Grand Gala on Independence Day, August 6th. The icons will be presented with the ministry's Music Icon Award for their pure contribution to the popularity of Jamaican music on the world stage. Morgan and Sanchez will join an impressive list of past recipients, including Jimmy Cliff, Marcia Griffiths, Freddie McGregor, Strangejah Cole, Damian Jr Gong Marley, Toots, Hibbert, and Richie Stevens. The presentation of the Music Icon Award has become one of the most highly anticipated features of the annual Grand Gala. The global celebration of Jamaica 60, the Diamond Jubilee's theme this year is Reigniting a Nation for Greatness. And dancehall heavyweight Shenseaa has earned herself a nomination for her alpha single, Are You That?, at the upcoming MTV Video Music Awards. Are You That?, which is a collaboration with rapper 21 Savage, is now part of the MTV Push platform, which was created for fans to get to know up-and-coming artists through candid discussions, revealing stories, and intimate performances. In international entertainment, British pop star Ed Sheeran has become the first musical artist to reach 100 million followers on Spotify. The 31-year-old pop heavyweight bested Ariana Grande, who has 81.64 million followers, Billie Eilish with 66.18 million, and Drake with 65.40 million. Sheeran is also the most streamed Spotify artist with 81.2 million monthly listeners. The achievement is the latest musical accolade for Ed, who was last month crowned the most played artist in the UK in 2021, while his single Bad Habits was the most played single. This week's entertainment flashback in 60 seconds takes a walk with James Chambers, also known and loved as Jimmy Cliff. Jimmy is one of the music industry's greatest ironies, known inside and outside reggae circles for his many music and film appearances, a Jamaican gem and a household name. Born in the 1940s, Jimmy Cliff hails from the Somerton district of St. James, Jamaica, where it all started. One village midwife who tended to the entire community in the middle of a hurricane would become the one to help a mother who gave birth to a legend. She wrapped him up safely in a sheet and provided shelter at a neighbor's home as the hurricane ravaged the mother's own home. It's as if since inception, Jimmy Cliff came into the world regardless of the challenging circumstances, and this would become the mirror image of his life. Although the singer never quite made it into the mainstream music side of things, he was fated for international stardom during the late 60s and early 70s. Jimmy started his career journey making appearances at local shows and parish fairs, and by the age of 14, he was feeling ready for the big time, and like many stars, moved to Kingston to make that happen. And that's your bite for this week. Tune in next week, same time, same place, for another epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. In this week's Hot Happenings, join the young lion Craig Ross today at Festive Fridays, Car Park Car Wash and Bar on 12 Belmont Road. Start time 6 p.m. to midnight. And the Kintyre Methodist Church presents its Holiday Teen Time, HTT, every 2 weeks on a Friday. If you or someone you know are between the ages of 12 and 19, come learn table tennis, play video games, and board games on the Kintyre Methodist grounds, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Call, text, or WhatsApp 876-999-8775 to confirm your attendance. It is totally free. And following the release of the first Black Panther Wakanda Forever trailer, a supporting 3-track prologue soundtrack has been released in anticipation of Marvel's upcoming sequel. Go check out the passionate No Woman No Cry, covered by Nigerian artist Thames, that is guaranteed to give you the feels this weekend. And that's it for Entertainment 97. Stay safe and dry, guys. I'm Yashika Graham. Thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. Tune in for your weekly dose of entertainment scoops every Friday inside Cool Rhythms with Entertainment 97.